of chapter 3, that is pair of linear equation into variables. Alright, we have seen all 4 methods to solve the pair of linear equation into variables. First we learned graphical method, then substitution method, third elimination method, and we also saw the cross multiplication method. Alright, and one very important result we learned. When are the two pair of lines having unique solution? When A1 upon A2 not equal to B1 upon B2 not equal to C1 upon C2. And when are they having no solution? When A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2 but not equal to C1 upon C2. And when they have infinite solutions, when A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2 is equal to C1 upon C2. So children, now we proceed to the next concept of this chapter, and that is word problems. Children, very simple, very simple. If you will learn to do your pencil work. Okay, first I'll be doing the work where in pencil. That is my rough work, but that won't be written aside. It won't be written as a rough work. Solution में ही वो pencil work से start करना है. And then once you get the pair of linear equation in two variables, you have to start your pen work. Suppose, so let करके. In most of the statements, you will be asked to find two quantities. Age of father and daughter, the speeds of mail train and fast train, yeah. The two numbers, you have to find the two numbers. Yeah, you have to find the rational number whose numerator and denominator are given, some conditions. So at most times you will be asked to find two quantities. So those two quantities, when we read the statement, are unknown for us. So what we do? What we do? Yes, suppose the first quantity is x and other quantity is y. X, first quantity is x and other quantity is y. Or you may say an or pn or mn, any unknown quantities you want to say. But mostly we will be calling them xy. Mostly we will be calling them xy. So as I do the rough work, I'll explain to you what we are doing. But now in the statement, alright, in the complete statement, there will be few sentences. After reading the first sentence, read it twice, couple of times, and try to understand what information we have in that sentence. You understand what statement में information क्या है? वो पता लगाओ. And that verbal statement you have to convert in the mathematical form. That means you have to use symbol and express mathematically. Are you getting me? Then you read the second statement. Alright? And that also you have to convert it mathematically. That means you have to write in symbolic form. Okay? So first you read statements, the whole statement completely, couple of times. Try to find out what you are asked to find. आपको क्या ढूंढना है स्टेटमेंट में, वो पता लगाओ और उसी को सिंबल लेके जो फर्स्ट सेंटेंस है, सेकंड सेंटेंस है, वन बाय वन पिकअप करके उसको सिंबॉलिक फॉर्म में रिप्रेजेंट करो. अच्छा, जब आपको दो सिंबॉलिक फॉर्म मिलेंगे, those would be nothing but a pair of linear equation in two variables. फिर आप जिस मेथड से चाहो उसको सॉल्व करो. Which would be the most convenient method? Elimination method would be most convenient. Alright? But that you see, sometimes that VIP type of pair of equation if you get, then don't go for even the elimination method. Alright? Okay? So let's see the statements of word problems. Today we are going to solve the word problems. Alright? And type 1. Type 1. And these are age-related word problems. Age-related word problems. WP word problems. Age-related. So today we are going to see age-related word problems. First, is 95.
Find the age of fathers and sons.
Find the ages of father and son. All right. Here I have given you one statement. Yes, one word problem which is related to age. Okay, children? Okay. Before we read this question and solve it, few things. What are we going to do in the pencil work? All right? Okay. Before that, let's try to understand. My present age is 51 years. My present age is 51 years. How old would I be after 9 years? No. How old I was before 1 year? 50? No. Though you are right, I am saying no. Because here you will have to think differently. Yes. Yeah, mathematical form chahiye mujhe. So my age is 51. Present age. This I am talking about my present age. Is 51. So after 9 years? 51 plus 9. I am telling you. Give me mathematically. So that will be 51 plus 9. I am 51 years old today. 1 year ago. 1 year before. 51 minus 9. यही आपको समझना है. Alright. My age or someone's age is X years at present. Present age. Present age is what? X years. What was his age 10 years ago? Plus कहाँ से 10 years ago? कम होगा. So 10 years ago X minus 10. Okay. X minus 10 years. 5 years hence. ये समझ में आ गया? कुछ बच्चे 5 years hence तो 5x लिख देते हैं. No, गलत है. Are you getting me? So 5 years hence, 5 years after, that is x plus. Raj is elder to Manish. That means age of Raj is more than. R is symbol for the age of Raj. Greater than. M is the symbol of age of Manish. So that's how you have to use the symbols. Here R greater than M shows what? Raj's age is more than Manish's age because Raj is elder. Elder, older. Okay. और उसका opposite है younger. Younger means less. All right. I hope you will understand that. समझ में आई बात? चलिए. So that is what will be needed here. Okay. Fine. Now let's see the statement. If twice the son's age in years is added to father's age. Son's age is twice the son's age is added to the sum is 70. Sum is 70. That is your first sentence of the whole statement. Second, but if twice the father's age is added to son's age, the sum is 90. And next statement is very important. Find the ages of father and find what? Age of father and age of son. But nothing is mentioned here. Present age, yeah, 5 years ago, yeah, 5 years after. Nothing is mentioned. So which age you will find? You have to take it for granted that here we are asked to find the present age. When nothing is mentioned, consider we are asked to find the present age of father and the son. So very clear. What are we supposed to find?
Son's age and father age.
Yes, and the present age. Present age of father and the present age of present age of father and present age of children. I'm going to use the general symbol. Father's age. Which letter? F. F. जनरल सिंबल. वो x और y हम स्पेशल सिंबल यूज करेंगे, स्पेसिफिक सिंबल यूज करेंगे. F for father's age અને S for પછી no matter present age હોય 5 years ago હોય કે 10 years after, general symbol will use. So I'm writing here F. This is my pencil work for father's age and S for son's age. This I call them as general symbol. General okay. And the very first, यहाँ दो पर्सन है, फादर और सन, तो मैंने फादर और सन लिख दिया. F stands for father's age, S stands for. Then I'm going to write their present age. Present age. वो हमें ढूंढना है. वो हमें ढूंढना है. Okay. Present age of father. बोलो बोलो. X, क्योंकि दोनों को ढूंढना है. और प्रेजेंट एज ऑफ सन हो गया काम. प्रेजेंट एज ऑफ सन Y, प्रेजेंट एज ऑफ फादर X. अब पहला स्टेटमेंट, द फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट, एंड टू ट्रांसफॉर्म दिस स्टेटमेंट इनटू सिंबॉलिक फॉर्म या मैथमेटिकल फॉर्म, आई एम गोइंग टू यूज जनरल सिंबल. आई एम गोइंग टू यूज. ऑलराइट. After that, I write here condition 1. Condition 1. अब वहां जगह नहीं होगी तो मुझे नीचे लिखना पड़ेगा. Condition 1 क्या कहता है? If twice the son's age, 2x. If twice the son's age, 2x. Twice the son's age, means double of x, is added. So you are adding. You are adding. Twice the son's age to the father's age. F. The sum is 70. Sum is 70. The sum is 70. और father's age और son's age हमें पता ही है. तो F is what? X plus S is what? Y. That is equal to 70. तो ये रहा आपका first equation, box वाला, right? Now there is condition 2 in the second statement. But if twice the father's age is added to son's age, the sum is 90. So I'm writing here condition 2, information 2. Yes, adding twice the father's age, F2 नहीं, 2F, 2 times F, to the son's age. Alright, that is S. And this time the total is, the sum comes to 90. So, what is S? Y. Plus 2x. That is equal to, but यहाँ पे location show x, 2x आगे में y पाछड़. Alright? Are you getting me? Yes. वो हम लोग YouTube पे वीडियो अपलोड करते हैं ना, तो वो आ जाता है इट्स अपलोडेड 10%, 20%, 30%, अपलोड 100% अपलोडेड. फिर प्रोसेसिंग आती है और 95% तक आने के बाद काफी लंबा समय लेता है ना. ये ऐसा ही कुछ है. इतना काम किया ना, मतलब 95% काम आपने सक्सेसफुली कर दिया है. दिस इज करेक्ट. दैट्स व्हाई आई एम टेलिंग यू पेंसिल वर्क इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. So, मैं पहले ये पेंसिल वर्क, yes of course, मैं अभी इसको बॉक्स में डाल रहा हूँ because I'm going to erase next. तो ये पेंसिल वर्क होगा. You will get the screenshot of that of this first statement. Alright? And then after the pencil work is done, वहीं से देखकर आप लिख सकते हैं. ये पेंसिल वर्क पेंसिल से ही होना चाहिए और यहाँ से नीचे शुरू करो. क्या शुरू करो? हमने जो सपोज किया, लेट द फादर्स एज बी x एंड दैट ऑफ सन बी. सॉल्यूशन देखो यहाँ, लेट फादर्स एज, प्रेजेंट कुछ लिखा नहीं है तो हम भी नहीं लिखेंगे. फादर्स एज एंड सन्स एज be respectively, bolo 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 bolo, x years and y years. All right. Therefore, by one of the conditions, जो conditions दिया उसमें से एक one of the conditions gives. Therefore, by one of the conditions we get the first box. बोलिए x plus 2y is equal to 7. Result number हमें desirable form चाहिए और वो है ना? Elimination method would be the best for us. चलिए हम आगे बढ़ते हैं children. And by other condition we get, बोलिए y plus 2x is equal to i.e. 2x plus y is equal to दोनों पॉजिटिव है. रिजल्ट नंबर 2. ठीक है. Now you are supposed to solve and get the value of x and y. है ना? आपको x क्या है और y क्या है ढूंढना है. And for that you will have to solve. And you know it's going to have a unique solution. All right. अब देखो, yes, we'll think of eliminating y. Coefficient 1 or 2 है या 2 और and 1 है. So that is not equal या opposite. So 1 और 2 का LCM 2. So 2 is what we need as coefficient of y at both the places. यहाँ 1 है, यहाँ 2 है. So no problem here. Multiply by. But यहाँ 1 का 2 बनाना हो तो multiply by 2. भैया multiplying बंदा ने समझ पढ़े लीजिए क्या? Is everyone knowing why we are doing and how we are doing and what we are doing? Sure. So that big statement comes. Multiplying equation 1 and 2 respectively by 1 and 2 we get, क्या gives? We get. चलो ये तो सेम x plus 2y is equal to 70. ये डबल हो जाएगा. 4x plus 2y is equal to 190. It will be 190. Yes children, आपको subtract करना होगा. So this becomes minus minus minus. चलिए ये तो गया. Therefore different sign subtract करोगे तो 3x with minus sign. Different sign subtract करोगे तो 120 with minus sign. Oh minus. Therefore चलिए next step. Therefore plus 3x is equal to plus 120. Therefore x is equal to 120 divided by 3. Therefore x is equal to 40. Put in the box. X is equal to 40. कोई भी मेथड चलेगा आपको. कोई भी मेथड.
कोएफिशिएंट्स जो 2x का है और 2y का है.
हाँ.
तो ये मेथड भी यूजफुल है.
पर बहुत वो वीआईपी मेथड में लंबा. हाँ, a good question. He has identified this pair of equation as VIP. Coefficients are altered. So 1 plus 2 equal to, એટલે પહેલા તો 1 plus 2 करो, પછી 1 minus 2 करो, પછી 3 plus 4 करो. प्रोसेस लंबा है, तो ये बेहतर रहेगा. चलिए. After that, क्या करेंगे? Putting x is equal to 40 in equation 1 gives 2 भी में रख सकते हैं. चलो 1 का x, तो x का वैल्यू 40 plus 2y that is equal to 70. Therefore 2y is equal to 30. 70 minus 40 डायरेक्ट किया मैंने. Therefore y is equal to 15. 30 divided by 2. ओके. इसके बाद आपको आंसर लिखना बहुत जरूरी है. आंसर एज ऑफ फादर x है ना, एंड दैट इज 40 years एंड एज ऑफ सन बोलो. ये वर्ड प्रॉब्लम है. सो फाइनली यू शुड राइट द आंसर. So I'm moving aside for the screenshot. Here you are. Now we move on to the next question. वो एज वाला ही लेंगे आप. Now most times I won't be solving this. Important thing here is what? Achieving result number 1 and result number 2. That means equation 1 and equation 2. वही important है. उसके बाद तो हमने चारों मेथड से काफी अच्छी प्रैक्टिस की है. सो आपको सॉल्व करना होगा. सो आई लीव हियर. ओके.
I am three times. I am three times.
I am 3 times
As old
am I, and how old is my son? So children, here is the next one. It is again age related word problem. Okay. I am 3 times as old as my son. That is first sentence. वहां दो quantities के बीच comparison है. I am 3 times. So age of I, means my age, is compared to the age of my son. So there is comparison between the age of mine and my son. Alright? So I am 3 times as old as my son. When? 5 years ago? 3 years hence? ऐसा कुछ मेंशन किया? नहीं. So what do you have to consider? Present age. At present, I am 3 times as old as my son. Correct? Next sentence. 5 years later. 5 साल के बाद मेरी उम्र 5 साल बढ़ जाने वाली है. I shall be, again comparison of my age. I shall be 2.5 times as old as my son. So even in the second sentence, there is comparison between my age and my son's age. But कौन सी age? No, very clearly, not present age. 5 years later वाली age. 5 years later. Be careful. उस एज की कंपैरिजन है. 5 साल के बाद मेरी एज, 5 साल के बाद मेरे बेटे की एज, दोनों एज की कंपैरिजन. At that time, my age would be 2.5 times as old as my son. How old am I, and how old is my son? So you have to find my age and my son's age. कौन सी एज? कुछ मेंशन नहीं किया. तो that means present age. All right? मैं यहां स्टार्ट करता हूं. My, I'll put M for my age. M for my age. M stands for my age. and S stands for जनरल सिंबल ले लिया. पहले यहां आपको कंपलसरी लिखना है प्रेजेंट चिल्ड्रन. यहां कंडीशंस ये प्रेजेंट एज वाली कंडीशन है. इसमें कंडीशन है. सर देखो एरो करके लिख रहे हैं. क्या बताया गया? आई एम એટલે કે माय एज इज 3 times my son's age. 3 times S. आपकी समझ में आई बात? आपकी समझ में आई बात? अच्छा. So अब from general symbol I am going to transform into specific symbol. Be careful, हो बच्चा, ध्यान रखो, ध्यान. Please. Now, please pay attention. A very important step comes through. ये दो में से कोई एक की एज हम एक्स बोलने वाले. किसकी एज? एम को बोले या एस को? एस को बोले तो बेहतर रहेगा, तो फ्रैक्शन नहीं आएगा. समझ में आई बात? तो इसको अब मैं कैंसिल कर रहा हूं. किसको? और वहां क्या लिख रहा हूं? और ये एस प्रेजेंट एज ऑफ सन हमने एक्स बता दिया. केयरफुली राइट. रिमेंबर दिस इज ऑल वेरी गुड पेंसिल वर्क. तो सीधा मिल गया. व्हाट इज एम इक्वल टू? ये सीधा मिल गया. व्हाट इज एम इक्वल टू? सो प्रेजेंट एज ऑफ माइन is 3x. Present age of mine is 3x. My son's present age is x. Oh my God! I'm sorry. हमें तो ये क्वाड्रेटिक में होना चाहिए भाई. ये तो हम 2 वेरिएबल ले रहे हैं ना. 2 वेरिएबल ले रहे हैं ना. तो इसको बोल दिया मैंने x. इसको बोल दिया मैंने और इसको बोल दूं मैं. तो पहला इक्वेशन मिल गया. पहली कंडीशन बोलो y is equal to 3x. बॉक्स में डाल दिया. I got the equation itself. Okay. अब next step, very important. बोलो 5 years. So I'm going to write that. 5 years. Very important. What is my age at present? What is my age at present? 3x के. आज हो ना ये अंगड़ी पर मैं पूछूं. What is my age at present? After 5 years. That is very important. Y plus 5. What is my son's age at present? Let me complete my sentence and then you answer. What is my son's age at present? अब बोलो ना. X. So after 3 years, x plus 3. कई बच्चे 3x लिख देते हैं. Be careful. X plus 3. Sorry. X plus. Now यहाँ भी कंडीशन दिया है. I shall be means my age would be. My age એટલે m would be 2.5 times the sun's age. ये कंडीशन लिखने में मैं जनरल सिंबल ही यूज करूंगा. बोलो आफ्टर 5 years later my age would be 2.5 times sun. अब what is m after 5 years? What is s after x plus 5? इसलिए मैं एरो डाल रहा हूं कि वही m और s की वैल्यू यहां डालनी है आपको. So you will get the second equation. What is m? Is equal to 2.5 times. What is s?
X plus 5.
ये रहा आपका second. This is your second equation. Pencil work is over. The two boxes have given you your pair of linear equation in two variables. When you solve them, you will get the value of. Sit upright. सीधा बैठो. Now I start my pen. Suppose my present age is क्या बोला गया मैंने? ओ y कहा है? Y years. And that of ये solution. And that of my son is x. इसको सिंगल इन्वर्टेड कॉमा में डालना हो तो डाल. Therefore, by one of the conditions we get. बोलिए. Yes, नहीं वो बॉक्स वाला जो भी हो. y equal to. So 3x minus y is equal to. अगर इसको desirable form 3x minus y is equal to 0. So i.e. 3x minus y 0 equal to वो right side कर दिया. Now this is equation number 1. फिर ये पेंसिल वर्क पहले ये बॉक्स में कर लेता हूं. ये पेंसिल वर्क ये पहले आपको लिखना होगा. Then you start उसी के नीचे. Alright, चलिए. Then I continue here. By other conditions and by other condition we get. बोलिए ये रहा. y plus 5 is 2.5 times x plus. अब उसके ऊपर काम करना होगा. Therefore y plus 5 is equal to 2 2 4 plus 1. So that is 5 by into x plus. Take 2 on other side. So it will multiply with this binomial. So therefore 2 times या तो वो विशाल वाली आइडिया multiplying 2 on both sides. So here 2 multiply करूंगा. So y plus 5 के साथ 2. This is 5 by 2 into x plus 5 multiplied by 2. Multiplying 2 on both sides. So ये 2 निकल गया. So therefore 2y distribute करो plus 10 5x plus हमें x वाली टर्म पहले चाहिए 2y वो बाजू ले चलो minus 2y ये 10 ऑलरेडी यहाँ है minus 25 यहाँ आएगा बनकर i.e. 5x minus 2y is equal to minus 3. This is equation number 2. अब आपको सॉल्व करना है y ही सॉल्व करेंगे y सेम साइन वाला ही anyway you can get rid of y. अब काम आपको करना है multiplying equation 1 and 2 respectively by whatever you will process and get the value of x and y. And finally don't forget to write the age of sun x जो भी आंसर आएगा years and that of my age. Okay, लिखोगे आप?
Yes.
So I'm here. A and B are friends. Number 3. A and B are friends of A and B. So children, here is the statement of the word problem number 3. Okay. A and B are two friends and their ages differ by 2 years. Now this is very interesting. Age difference. That means one is elder and the other is younger. They are not of the same age. Now who is elder? Is A elder to B or B is elder to A?
A elder to B.
How you know?
They are friends. They are different by 2 years.
Age, हाँ that is there. वो तो है. लेकिन A ही 2 साल बड़ा है ऐसे कैसे? B भी तो हो सकता है 2 साल बड़ा. Are you getting me or not? अब करे क्या? Who is elder? Nothing is known. When nothing is known, आपको जो पहला नाम आए ना वो elder में समझ लेना. You understand? It is just mentioned that A and B their ages differ by 2. अब मैं कहूँ इसकी उम्र 15 साल है, मेरी उम्र 51 है, right? So हमारे बीच 36 years का difference है. Okay? The difference in age of Prakash and Mukesh. The difference in the age of Prakash and Mukesh is 36 years. अभी आपको पता है प्रकाश कौन है और मुकेश कौन है, इसलिए आप बता देंगे कि प्रकाश इज एल्डर. यू अंडरस्टैंड? लेकिन पता नहीं हो तो क्या करेंगे? इज मुकेश एल्डर या प्रकाश एल्डर? मुकेश एल्डर होगा तो भी तो डिफरेंस 36 ही होने वाला है. आर यू गेटिंग मी? सो यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट. सो जो पहला नाम आया उसको हम एल्डर समझ लेंगे. यू अंडरस्टैंड? सो फर्स्ट सेंटेंस, A and B are two friends and their ages differ by 2 years. So there is no clarity who is elder, but we consider A is elder to B. Next, A's father, that is father of A, is twice as old as A. मतलब twice as old as his son A. A's father, symbolically taken D, is twice as old as A. So there is a relationship between the age of father and son. Here, relationship between the age of two friends A and B. So yes, let's see the next statement now. And इसको मैंने बोला था अलग करो उसको. And B is twice as old as his sister. Sentence is one, लेकिन दो relationship है. First part of the sentence says A's father D is twice as old as his son A. And second says कि B मतलब this friend, second friend, his age is twice as old as his sister. That means sister is quite young to be. You understand? आधी उम्र की है उसकी बहन. So first part of the second sentence has relationship between the age of father D and son A, and second part of the sentence has relationship between the ages of friend B and his sister C. The age of D, that means father of friend A, and C, that is sister of friend D. differ by 40 here there is no doubt actually sentence doesn't say but there is no doubt what the father is elder to sister father is elder to क्यों क्योंकि A is elder to B and B से आधी उम्र वाली उसकी बहन C तो of course A के फादर से तो उसकी उम्र कम ही होगी चले after reading the statement logically definitely we can say yes D is elder and C is younger and the difference of their ages find the age of A and B information चार व्यक्ति की है information is about the ages of 4 persons but you have to ask only you have to find only the age of 2 and present age की बात are you getting me so मैं पहले pencil work start करता हूँ by putting A B C और D be careful लेकिन लिखेंगे सिर्फ दो का मतलब X and Y present age इसको present age ही समझेंगे इसकी एज X और इसकी एज Y ओके अब सारी कंडीशंस प्रेजेंट एज वाली ही है और कुछ है ही नहीं 5 years ago 7 years later ऐसी कोई कंडीशन नहीं है तो ऑल द कंडीशंस ओके यस तो मैं नीचे लिखूंगा फर्स्ट डिफरेंस A minus B is equal to 2 A and B differ by 2 years. So A minus B is equal to 2. I hope you have understood that.
Yes.
Oh, the first equation तो मिल ही गया. X minus Y is equal to 2. So from the pair of linear equation in two variables, first equation we got very easily. अब second statement. A's father D is twice as old as his son A. So yeah, D is 2 times A. B is 2 times A. Got you. Keep on writing. A पता है. What is A? So this implies D is equal to 2x. जब जिसकी जरूरत पड़े हम सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे. All right? चलिए. और आगे. D, what is that? B is twice as old as his sister. B is twice as old as his sister. This implies, बोलो B क्या है? Y. So Y is equal to, so Y by 2 is equal to, समझ में आई बात? देखो, क्योंकि C में इंटरेस्ट है, यहाँ D में इंटरेस्ट है. D is 2x. भाई 2 को बाजू लेके आया मैं. So Y by 2 is equal to. अब देखो मजा. The age of D and C differ by. So D minus C is equal to 40. D is elder. अरे what is? तो मुझे क्या D और C तक कुछ है ही नहीं. लेकिन हमने पाया. D क्या है? 2x. माइनस C क्या है? That is equal to. ठीक है, फ्रैक्शन है ठीक है, बट हमारा इक्वेशन तो मिल गया ना. When you solved pairs of equations, ऐसे कुछ कोई इक्वेशन आते थे. हमारा पेंसिल वर्क कंप्लीट हो गया. And the two boxes have given us
Two pairs.
yes a pair. Two pair नहीं pair. Two equations of the pair. We can solve and get the value of x and y. So this was your pencil work. This was your pencil work. Soon after the pencil work, you can start your pen work. Solution. Suppose the age of friend A is X years and that of friend B is Y. अब यहाँ कंडीशंस ज्यादा है. सो बाय वन ऑफ द कंडीशंस एंड अदर ऐसे कहने के जगह पे नहीं साथ में लिख देंगे. बाय द कंडीशंस गिवन. बाय द कंडीशंस गिवन वी गेट. बोलिए पहला वाला इक्वेशन. x minus y equal to, और वो डिसाइडेबल फॉर्म है भी, ऑलराइट, एंड अब दूसरा बॉक्स मेहनत किए, यस, 2x minus y by 2 is equal to multiplying 2 with all the terms. ये 2 into 2x minus y by 2 into 2, 40 multiplied by 2. This becomes 4x. ये x गया minus y and that gives me 80. This is equation number. देखो इक्वल हो गया, सीधा सबट्रैक्ट करने से मिल जाएगा. इसके बाद का काम आपका है. That clear? Yes. All right. So now we move on to the next one, and that is number 4. We have already seen 3. Correct? Okay. Let's see the statement now. 5 years ago. 5 years ago. So this condition that we are going to see, the first condition, all right, is about 5 years ago. During which instant? During which instance? 5 years ago. अरे कौन सा समय की बात है? 5 साल पहले की बात है. Okay. Nuri, the age of Nuri was thrice as old as Sonu. So that is your first sentence of the whole statement for you, right? And in the first sentence, what information you have? There is comparison of age of Nuri and Sonu. Very clearly written. Nuri is thrice, means 3 times as old as Sonu. But at which instant? Present age की बात है, 5 years ago की बात है, 10 years after की बात है, कब की बात है? 5 साल पहले की बात है. At that time, Nuri was thrice as old as. That is first statement. 10 years later ये अगो था, अब later 10 साल बाद, in future Nuri will be, देखो future so will be twice as old as Sonu. So yes, another condition. Again the ages are compared, age of Nuri with the age of Sonu. But at which instance? 10 years after, 10 साल के बाद की बात है. At that time, Nuri will be how many times? Twice as old as Sonu. And the final sentence of the whole statement, very important, because here you will be discovering what you are supposed to find. क्या ढूंढना है वो हमें यहां से मिलेगा. Let's see. How old are Nuri and Sonu? How old are Nuri and Sonu? When? 5 years ago या 10 years later? Nothing is mentioned in that statement. How old are Nuri and Sonu? 5 साल पहले की बात नहीं, 10 साल की बाद की बात नहीं, कुछ नहीं कहा. So you have to take it for granted. You have to understand it as present age. So you are supposed to find the present age of Nuri and present age of Nuri हम क्या कह देंगे? X. Present age of Sonu क्या कह देंगे? Y. वो तो ठीक है. And then I'll have to frame a pair of linear equation in those two variables x and y. और solve करेंगे तो x और y मिल जाएगा. All right. चलिए. वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पेंसिल वर्क. पेंसिल वर्क पहले आप बोर्ड में भी जब लिखोगे, एग्जाम में भी लिखोगे, तो पहले पेंसिल वर्क से आप स्टार्ट करोगे. सॉल्यूशन पेंसिल वर्क. और कौन सा सम है ये? एज बेस्ड सम है, राइट. सो व्हाट यू डू, दो बच्चे की एज कंपैरिजन. सो फॉर नूरी आई एम राइटिंग n and for Sonu I am writing S. I am going to call these as general symbols. जो दो क्वांटिटी ढूंढनी है उसकी, इसको मैं क्या बोलने वाला हूँ? जनरल सिंबल्स. सो जनरल सिंबल से हम स्टार्ट करेंगे. and then we convert it into specific symbols. Okay, कैसे देखते हैं. First you write present age. क्या लिखोगे पहले? पहले हमेशा प्रेजेंट एज लिखना है. ये पेंसिल वर्क है, रफ वर्क है, लेकिन पैर में दिखाना है आपको. चलिए फिर 5 years ago. फिर अनदर कंडीशन 10 years ago. प्रेजेंट एज में कुछ नहीं बताया. सॉरी, दिस इज 10 years later. प्रेजेंट एज में कुछ कंडीशन नहीं है. देयर इज नो कंडीशन. कंडीशन यहाँ त्रिकी कॉलम हम कंडीशन की बनाएंगे. देयर इज नो कंडीशन. यू आर जस्ट टोल्ड टू फाइंड द नूरी's प्रेजेंट एज एट सोनू. सो दैट जनरल सिंबल आपको मदद करेगा. N for Noori and S for, this N stands for Noori's age and S stands for, but अब specific symbol डाल रहा हूँ. Noori's age I'm going to call it S and Sonu's age I'm going to call it Y. Present age में कोई भी condition नहीं है, so I'm putting a dash. I'm putting dash. Now be careful. Now we have condition. बोलो 5 years ago. Now very interesting. What is Noori's present age? So 5 years ago. That is very important. What is present age of Sonu? 5. So 5 years ago. 5. और 5 साल पहले कंडीशन क्या है? नूरी. That means N. जनरल सिंबल यूज करूंगा कंडीशन. Was. So was equal to. Thrice. So 3 times as old as Sonu. So that statement, verbal statement, is expressed mathematically in symbolic form. I hope you have understood this. Noori's age, so N is equal to, या was equal to 3 times Sonu's age. Yes. यही कंडीशन में नूरी की एज क्या है? X माइनस N में देखो, ये 5 years ago, X minus, that is equal to 3 times Sonu's age 5 years ago. Oh, children, this is my first equation. This is my first equation. Now, next statement, and that is when 10 years later. Noori, okay, पहले ये लिख दो. What is present age of Noori? So after 10 years? Yes, and capital N will be X plus 10. 10 years later. सेम में सोनू's एज और यहाँ कंडीशन है. क्या कंडीशन है? 10 years later. इसमें कंडीशन जो ब्लू में लिखने वाला हूँ, नूरी विल बी ट्वाइस एज ओल्ड एज सोनू. वेरी सिंपल. नूरी विल बी 2 times एज ओल्ड एज सोनू. ये n 10 years later क्या है? X plus 10 is equal to 2 times as Sonu's age 10 years later. Oh, children, I got the other statement as well. Clear? I'll be taking a screenshot of this, and that is your pencil work. This is your pencil work. All right? आपको solution से पहले, मतलब solution करते हैं तो पहले pencil work से शुरू करना होगा. Okay. Now I pick up a pen and start my work. Suppose, बोलिए. Present age of Noori is, suppose present age of Noori and बोलो Sonu are present ages, दोनों का ले लो, are respectively X years and Y years. ठीक है. अब पहली कंडीशन कौन सी थी? 5 years ago वाली. So I'm writing here. By one of the conditions, we have, please, by one of the conditions, we have the first box. What is that? X plus 5 is, sorry, X minus 5 is 3 times Y minus 5. आगे सिंप्लीफिकेशन करेंगे. X minus 5 is equal to, बोलो, 3y minus 15. चलिए डिजायरेबल फॉर्म में ला दो. x minus 3y minus 15 plus 5 minus 10. This is equation number 1. Are you getting me, children? Are you getting me? अब दूसरी कंडीशन से सेकंड इक्वेशन, by other condition we get, बोलिए लिख लो, x plus 10, x plus 10 is equal to 2 times y plus 10. So x plus 10 is 2y plus 20. X minus 2y, 20 minus 10, 10. This is equation number 2. समझ गए ना? क्या समझे? अब आपको सॉल्व करना है. We have solved so many pairs of linear equation in two variables using 4 different methods. But the best method would be here. आप elimination करें. 3y और 2y दोनों में. ओ x x सेम है. खेल खत्म हो जाएगा. So 1 minus 2 करके सीधा देंगे. So that will give you the value of x and y both one by one. Okay. पहले y मिलेगा और फिर x मिलेगा. Definitely. And finally एक statement होना चाहिए. आंसर के फॉर्म में, द एज ऑफ नूरी इज, द प्रेजेंट एज ऑफ नूरी इज, एक्स जो भी आएगा यस एंड वाई जो भी आएगा सोनूज एज इज दैट. समझ में आ गई बात? श्योर. सो हियर स्क्रीनशॉट फॉर यू. ये पेंसिल से ही लिखना है, फिर ये कंप्लीशन आपको करना है. ऑलराइट. सो नाउ वी मूव ऑन टू नंबर 5. So number 5. बोलो बेटा.
The present age.
The present age.
Their present age is.
Their present ages. So children, here we are. Word problem number 5, and it is again age related word problem. Right? Let's read the statement. First sentence. The present age, yes वो मेंशन किया है. The present age of a father is 3 years more. That is interesting. Your knowledge will be tested here. 3 years more than, then what? 3 times the age of son. 3 times the age of son. Definitely. It's a comparison of two ages, father's age and son's age, and both the ages at present age. But very interesting, present age of father is 3 years more, 3 years more than 3 times the present age of son. We'll see that, how to write mathematically. Let's see what information we have with the next sentence. Okay. 3 years hands. ये कंडीशन बदल गई, प्रेजेंट नहीं. 3 years 3 साल के पहले. ठीक है, बराबर समझ रहे हैं? वेरी गुड. 3 years hands, उसके बाद 3 साल बाद. फादर्स एज, सो अगेन फादर्स एज will be 10 years more. There is a complication. Then twice the age of son at that time. That means 10 years, 3 years hence. Yes, second condition. Determine their present ages. So what are we asked to determine? Of son and the father. When you answer, you have to get up. Okay. So, yes, 2 things you have to find. Both are unknown. We shall call one of them X years, another Y. Not necessarily. Huh? You may say A, B, M, N, P, Q. But normally we call it X and Y. लेकिन अच्छी अंडरस्टैंडिंग सिंबॉलिक फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए we will use general symbol first. Okay? पहले सेंटेंस में क्या है? Age of father and son. So ये सॉल्यूशन, I start with pencil one. F for father's age, present age हो या 3 years later हो या 2 years ago. F stands for father's age at any instant. and S stands for जैसे मैंने बताया आपको शुरुआत प्रेजेंट एज से ही करनी है, आपको प्रेजेंट एज लिख ही देना है, फिर कंडीशन में जो भी हो, या तो प्रेजेंट एज दिया भी था 3 years hence, 3 years hence, so I'll write 3 years hence, alright, that's it, और कुछ नहीं है ना। अब इस बार प्रेजेंट एज में भी कंडीशन है, प्रेजेंट एज ऑफ फादर, यहां कंडीशन में लिखता हूं, कंडीशन, प्रेजेंट एज ऑफ फादर, सो एफ, प्रेजेंट एज ऑफ फादर इज कैपिटल एफ, okay, is 3 years more, so his age is more, his age is more by 3 years, then ये देखो, then what, 3 times the age of son, then 3 times the age of son. Did you understand? Now this is not equation, this is inequality. I think I have taught to you how to convert inequality into equality. Equal, which is smaller quantity, f on left hand side of inequality, greater than sign there is f, and on right hand side we have 3s. Which is smaller, f or 3s? 3s is smaller, 3s is smaller, f is greater than 3s, which very clearly says 3s is smaller. By how much it is small? 3s. So add that 3s plus 3, so ये equal हो गया. Are you getting me? अब मुझे जनरल सिंबल से स्पेसिफिक सिंबल चाहिए. प्रेजेंट एज ऑफ फादर में बोलने वाला हूँ, एंड एज ऑफ सन में बोलने वाला हूँ, तो यहाँ डाल देते हैं. ये प्रेजेंट एज की कंडीशन है, देखो एरो, f क्या है, x इज इक्वल टू 3y प्लस, ये अपना पहला इक्वेशन. यहाँ कुछ सॉल्व मत करो, लेकिन डिजायरेबल फॉर्म है वो कहीं करवानी जरूर नहीं क्या. इज दैट क्लियर? चलिए, नाउ 3 years hence वाली कंडीशन, पहले तो ये एज लिख दो, प्रेजेंट एज ऑफ फादर इज, सो 3 years hence, मैंने फिर से बताया था, फिर से बता रहा हूं मैं, कुछ बच्चे 3x लिख देते हैं. हेरित सो रहा है, x plus 3. What is present age of son? So 3 years hence, all right. और अब मैं जनरल सिंबल ही लिखूंगा वो कंडीशन लिखने के लिए. 3 years hence, father's age, so f, father's age will be 10 years more, फिर से more, by 10 years. Then what? Twice the son's age. And then 2 times s. Again inequality. I'll have to convert into equality. So equal, 2s is smaller, by 10, so I add 10, so this became equal. लेकिन ये कंडीशन कहाँ की है? 3 years. हाँ, 3 years hence में फादर की एज क्या है? x plus 3. और 2 times 2 into son's age क्या है? और आगे प्लस 10. These are your 2 equations. यही important है. The pencil work is very important. Are you getting me? Then you can pick up your pen and start. Suppose the present age of father and son are respectively x and y years, correct? Then by one of the conditions, all right, x is equal to 3y plus 3. Therefore, x minus 3y is equal to 3. Result number 1. And by the other conditions we get x plus 3 is equal to 2 times y plus 3 plus 10. Are you getting me? फिर हम लिखेंगे x plus 3 is equal to 2y plus 6 plus 10. x minus 2y is 6 plus 10, 16. 16 minus 3 is 30. So x minus 2y is equal to 30. That is equation number 2. समझ में आ रहा है? Sure? मैं लिखूं, हाँ? I'll write. Now your pen work. Solution. Suppose, पहले तो suppose कर देंगे जो टारगेट है हमारा. Suppose the present ages of father and son are respectively x and y years. Therefore, by one of the conditions. One of the conditions. We have first box x plus 3y is equal to 3. बड़ा आसान इक्वेशन. x minus 3y is equal to 3. That is equation 1. अब कहाँ लिखो? And by other condition. आपको लिखना है, आप खुद लिख पाओगे. x ओ ऐसा है. मैं अभी क्या देखता? x minus 3y अभी करेक्ट है. अच्छा ऐसा है. मैं भी बहुत आगे दिखता हूँ ऐसा. अच्छा. By other conditions we have. बोलिए, ये पूरा लिख देना पड़ेगा. x plus 3 is equal to 2 times y plus 3 plus 10. फिर थोड़ा सा सिंप्लीफिकेशन. Therefore x plus 3 that is 2y plus 6 plus 10. Therefore x बोलो minus 2y is equal to ये 16 और minus 3 13. And that is equation number 2. Okay, समझ में आ रहा है? So that's how you write. आपको ये स्क्रीनशॉट भी देखने की जरूरत नहीं है. ये पेंसिल वर्क और फिर अपना काम कर लीजिए. ये सारा पेंसिल वर्क है. ये सारा पेंसिल वर्क है ना. इसमें जो है वो पेंसिल वर्क और वही महत्व का. That is very important. I hope that is clear to you. All right. 6. It's going to be easy. क्योंकि अब हमने 5 जो कर लिए, it will be similar. अब जो 5 किया है वही रिपीट होने वाला है. So all right, that's all in this session. See you in the next session. Till then, goodbye. Have a nice day. See, so many wishes, so many prayers for you. Bye bye.